Did you know you can earn passive income of over 350,000 naira on a weekly basis when you key into Oke Aro right in the heart of DUKIA Africa? Now, for those of you who does not know anything about DUKIA Africa, let me give you a brief info about it. DUKIA Africa is that it's an Africa biggest resort estate. I'm going to come again. Africa biggest resort estate right in the heart of Epe. And I already know that you must have heard one or two about this estate. We have land selling in this estate, and we also have bungalows selling in this estate. Now, for the land sizes, for the land, it's closed. We've closed on sales already. And for the bungalow, this is a 1-bedroom bungalow, and we call them the Oke Aro Bungalow. Now, with this 1-bedroom bungalow, you can make over 350,000 naira on a weekly basis, or over 1.4 million naira on a monthly basis. And I'm going to tell you how that is going to work. But before I do that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so right now. And then if you subscribe already and you are one of our returning subscribers who are watching our video right now, I say a very big thank you. And then I'll also plead with you to share these videos to those who would benefit or can benefit from this information, because information is key. Information is power in the world that we are in right now. What makes the rich different from the poor is the information they know or they already know, and they are putting it to use. Now, back to the subject of the matter: how to make over 350,000 naira by keying to Oke Aro Bungalow. Now, let's take for instance, because on average, for a 1-bedroom in this resort estate would cost minimum 50,000 naira, and on a yearly basis, we are expecting to have over 60,000 tourists. Now, these tourists would need a place to stay. Now, let's say you're one of our smart investors who now key into a 1-bedroom, and on average, this 1-bedroom goes for 50,000 naira a day, which means in a week we are making over 350,000 naira, and in a month you are making over 1.4 million naira. Isn't that amazing? Now, to key into this Oke Aro Bungalow, all you need is 2 million naira initial deposits, and you can spread balance for good 12 months. That's what this Oke Aro Bungalow, this 1-bedroom bungalow, is not that expensive right now. Reason being that it is just going for 12 million naira. That is, with 2 million deposits, you can key into the 12 million naira Oke Aro Bungalow and spread balance for 12 months. This land has C of O as its title document. This particular resort estate is the first of its kind because it has its own helipad. So which means when you're coming from anywhere of the world, bringing in your chopper, you can land in right here at DUKIA Africa. From DUKIA Africa, it is just few minutes drive away from the Lagos Epe International Airport. From DUKIA Africa, it is just few minutes from the popular Isimi Lagos. From DUKIA Africa, it is just few minutes from the Epe Resorts and Spa. These are popular locations which I know that you are aware of, which is why I am bringing these particular landmarks. So you can see a real estate location is key, and DUKIA Africa is rightly situated at a strategic and perfect location right here in the heart of Epe, Lagos, Nigeria. The road right from the express to DUKIA Africa is motorable. That is, you can even come with a Camry and you will get down to site. Work is ongoing, as you've seen. Development is ongoing in this estate. Some of the Oke Aro bungalows are already in place, and you can see more units are being built. What you want to do is ready your 2 million naira down and be ready to key into Oke Aro Bungalow after you've come to site, after you've watched this video. Stay tuned and see you in my next video.